Let's see how to convert JSON data into proper Google Sheet format. In the Google Sheets, click on Extensions and select the App Script option. This will open an App Script project. Change the project name to anything relevant. I am going to type JSON to Google Sheets. Now, we are going to use this app script function. I've left a link to this function in the description below. You can get it from there. Here, you must add the name of the sheet where you want data. This is the name of the Google Sheet. Now, click on the Save icon at the top. Then click on the Deploy button at the top right and select the New Deployment option. In the pop-up, click on the gear icon and select the Web App option. Give a reference description. You must choose anyone in the Who Can Access drop-down options. Then click on the Deploy button. The deployment process will take up to a few seconds. After that, authorize access. Choose the Google account. Even though the account is not verified by Google, you need to continue. Finally, click on the Allow button. Within a few seconds, you will see this screen. Here, you need to copy the script URL. We'll be posting JSON data on this URL. Currently, Google Sheets has no data. We'll use Postman for posting JSON. Paste the script URL here. Choose the request type as post. Then go to the header sections. In the key, enter content type. And in the value, enter application JSON. Then go to the body and choose JSON. Here, we'll paste the JSON in the key value pair. Before proceeding, we need to add the keys in the Google Sheet columns for data mapping. At last, we'll send the request. In the response, you can see the data successfully added. Also in the Google Sheets, you can see values are added in the second row. Just like this, you can add a JSON array to add data in multiple rows. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.